Y'all, my mic just stayed dying. Like, what's the tea? The real tea is I didn't charge it all the way. That's the real tea. But anyway. Hey Dals, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie. I miss saying this. Because I haven't did a sit down video in a minute. Besides the vlog that I just uploaded. But other than that, I haven't did a sit down video. Y'all already know. I love the quality of my videos and my sit down videos. Eat, chef kiss. I've been doing live lately, and I hope y'all been enjoying the lives for the month of February. Y'all better enjoy them, okay? Because baby, who knows when the next month or the next time I go live. That's a gift. I did my brows on live, and I just want to come to y'all and give y'all a makeup tutorial via pre-filmed. And y'all, this look 8. I love it. It is everything and more. I'm about to go take my pictures, but I really want y'all to get right into this look. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, if y'all already came from the lab for today, which was day 12, if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It is me, Briana Marie. Yes, I did live on my brows, y'all, and now I'm about to go ahead and do my eyes. It's gonna be something soft, like a soft glam. I'm gonna try to make it a soft glam, but I don't know what colors I want to play with. We're just gonna go ahead and apply our base first. This is the Bfiercebeauty Icing Zero Base, and I want to go ahead and just apply this and blend it out after I let it dry just a little bit. My link will be down in the description bar below if y'all want to shop, because I don't have any bases available at the moment, but I will have some. So just keep being on the lookout, and also sign up for our mailing list. I will update you when we're in stock. And my mirror is available, so if y'all want to shop my mirror, go ahead and do so, because that is available. And we also have limited stock. On that. If y'all want to support my eye journey, go ahead and do so down in the description below as well, because that will be up. And if you want to support it in another way, which is buying products from my site, you all can do that as well, and it will go towards my eyes. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my Juvia's Place the Honey Rebel palette, and I'm going to take this shade first on a flat brush, and we'll go ahead and tap this on the outer parts of our eyes. Anyways, now that we have our first shade on, first color on, I'm going to go ahead and take my 39A palette, and I'm going to take this color, this Hidden Pan. It's literally Hidden Pan. I'm going to take a Morphe 505 brush. The first brush that I took to pack that shade on was a Bedazzling 2777 brush. Actually, I'm not going to use that brown. I want to go ahead and take my Juvia's Place palette, the third shade out of the Zulu palette. I'm going to show y'all. Alright y'all, so I blended both of the transitions together, and I'm satisfied with how it looks, y'all. So I did go ahead and take this color out of the Juvia's Place palette, this third color, and I'm actually going to get another one and probably throw this one away because I really just wanted it for that one color in there. Well, basically for those two colors that hit pan, which is that yellow, because I like the yellow too, color right there. And we're going to go ahead and put that all over the lid. But first, you want to go ahead and take your Bfiercebeauty base, or whatever base that you want to take. I'm going to dot this, let that sit a bit, and we're going to go ahead and blend this out. Taking the brush that I used to blend the first shade in, and I'm just basically blending out the edges of this color. I'm just basically blending this out. I'm gonna go ahead and tap this. So we're gonna need a fire pigment in the inner corner, and I'm trying to see what pigment that I want in the inner corner, y'all. Do y'all see that blend? Oh, the shimmer quality, like, I don't know. I'm not putting anything in it. I'm gonna put some in the inner corner, and we're gonna leave it at that. Well, with a little bit of sparkle in the inner corner. And yeah, we're gonna leave it at that, because this eye is everything. That picture that I just took, because I was supposed to start off by taking capturing pictures of me actually doing it, but I just totally forgot. So the first picture that I have is this. Do y'all see how that looks? All right, so we're gonna use an oldie but goodie, which is this one right here. This is the Urban Decay, y'all. Look at that. Urban Decay. What is this? Vanilla. I'm gonna put that right in the inner corner. It's a light shade. I'm putting it in the inner corner with a Morphe 443 brush. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting excited about this look. I'm gonna go ahead and add a brown liner. Big wear, not a brown wing liner, just a line, okay? I'm gonna need some more of these. These getting old. Y'all, I love those NYX Epic liners. Y'all, they are getting old, but I am going to go ahead and re-up on some. I'm trying to use all my old makeup, and when I use it all, even though they old, I just throw it away. I just went ahead and lined my eye. I didn't do a wing or anything, and I just tapped the edges out, and then I went in with that 39A palette and just basically filled in the outer part so that it won't look like a line. You know, you have to blend and you have to fade things in to make sure you don't have complacement to where it's like, okay, I see that. You want everything to just blend in together. I did take my BBS lashes from my line, Bfiercebeauty. If y'all haven't checked out my line, go ahead and do so. It will be in the description bar below. And then I went ahead and took this Embryolisse cream to start on the face, y'all, because the eyes are done. And then my Milk Hydro Grip Spray. I was gonna say setting spray, but it's grip spray. And then I went ahead and took my 2 Dust of Color foundations, and 134 dark and 133 dark, and I went ahead and just patted this out. I had to get some more foundation, and it's also still on sale for $9, y'all. $9, okay? I'm definitely getting some more. And then I took 10 Deep Sand, and I just went all over with 10 Deep Sand. It just felt weird to do 10 Deep Sand all over, but I did, and y'all, this is how it came out. But I did also take, I think I took Chai from Toofaced, Born This Way, and I put it on my forehead, under my nose, and also my chin area. And also right here, this is Chocolate Charm, their blusher from Mitchell. And I went ahead and just basically contour, well, bronze on my face, because that is not contour. Contour is way darker than bronzer. Bronzer is more going to warm you up versus from just basically contouring the face. I don't even think people use contour anymore. If y'all use contour anymore, let me know in the description right below. I think a lot of people just use bronzer. I went ahead and did my nose. I always do my nose like this. I did do a tutorial or a live video, not tutorial, on me not actually doing my nose. I did like powder contoured a little bit, but I didn't like put the line down the middle. If y'all want more nose tutorials like that, let me know. Without me contouring my nose, I would definitely do that. I do always go back in with a little bit more concealer, a little bit more concealer, and then I went ahead and powder with Anastasia Beverly Hills banana powder. I told y'all I'm bringing my old stuff out because it's just so much. I keep using the same stuff because it's my favorite, but I'm also neglecting the products that I already have. So I do have to bring those back out, and I did. And then I took my Laura Mercier. I have a ton of those because Laura Mercier, they send me products all the time. I don't have to get another one in a minute, but I have a lot of Laura Mercier deep dark powders, and I take that all over the face. Now I want to go ahead and take my Plouise, this is their black paint, and I just put it in my waterline and I bronze my nose. Also, I'm going to go ahead and put the colors that I use as my transition on my eyes, underneath my eyes, on the lower lash line as well. And I'm going to go ahead and just smoke this out. Y'all, look at that. You have to use these brushes because they're tiny. You don't use big brushes down there. Tiny brushes is going to get the job done. Y'all, look at my face. I ate. And I know I did. So I'm going to go ahead and take this MAC. I gotta get some more of that as well. That is their Giga Black Lash. And it's bomb. Taking my two Juvias Place blushes, but only one out of each palette. And I'm going to go ahead and take this brush. Now, I think that I'm going to start using a different brush because as you can see how I'm patting this blush on, but you can see like the highlight and then the blush. I want everything to like blend in, so I think I'm going to use a more fluffier brush. But yeah, wiping all the powder off, I'm going to go ahead now and finalize this deal. I did do this lip tutorial on my Instagram, so go ahead and check that out on Marie with 3 underscores. Set with Morphe mist, and also I used my MAC matte setting spray, but I took my Morphe what is that, the little sprayer. Guess so. I gotta give me a new one, and then go deposit down the bridge of the nose. And then to finalize this look, I did go ahead and take my powder, Studio Fix powder from MAC and NW50, and just basically pat this all in the areas that I didn't highlight. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my molds on my face, and that is it, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all on the outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Let me know down in the comment section below if y'all like videos that are pre-filmed, or y'all like live videos, or y'all like both. I'm only saying that because maybe sometimes I could come on live and just give different videos. Like, it don't necessarily have to be makeup tutorial live. I come with my makeup done and I already have a video recorded for y'all to upload as in makeup. Also, I do want to do a live video and showing y'all exactly how I take my pictures. Like, I need to get an outfit and actually create it at least before the end of February ends. I want to show y'all how to take pictures via live, like not in depth, but like just like a easy way to take your pictures. When it get a little warmer, I'm gonna definitely take y'all out. Right now in Chicago, it's snowing, and yes, I'm the forecaster for today, and I'm telling y'all right now, the storm actually just stopped. It's on my phone right now. It said it stopped at 3:47 a.m. and it is 4:38 a.m. in the morning, and I definitely have to be up. You already know how these tutorials go. I be up late at night or early, well, in the wee mornings doing these tutorials, but hey, this is all I do, and this is how I get paid. So of course I'm gonna do these, and I like doing them, especially when I have the rest that I need. To get more like real in person, in depth about me, like, and like what I'm going through in my daily life, check my vlogs, and also check out my live videos because I do talk in those. Also, don't forget to thumbs this video up, comment, rate, and subscribe. Share this to your friend, your mama, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your auntie, your boyfriend, I don't know, whoever. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.